Hey guys, today I have the Look Fantastic Beauty Chest. This is a Christmas chest and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. They did send me this for review purpose and this is from Look Fantastic. Look at that. So this big chest, it opens on the top and it has products in there and then it has a drawer as well. It has 13 luxurious, whoa. Can't talk. It has 13 luxurious items. It goes from skincare, hair care, cosmetics, and even stuff for your house. So it has a little bit of everything in here. I will have more information down below and coupon code if you're interested in purchasing this. So it says wishing you a very Merry Christmas, and here is all the information. So this is what it says when you open it if you're curious, and as you can see there it says 13 luxurious treats. And let's go ahead and jump in and unbox this. The first thing that I see in here is by Elemis. This is their Eye Revive mask. It says to apply a thin layer to the eye contour, leave overnight to absorb, or layer under or over makeup. It says that you should use a minimum of 3 times, and I am definitely going to test this baby out because mama needs help in the eye area department. I have yet to do any kind of cosmetic procedure, any kind of Botox or anything, so I am trying naturally to stay hydrated, to take care of my skin, to stay away from the sun. And yeah, Elemis is very high-end and very luxurious for sure. Next thing in here is the Eve Lom. These are cleansing oil capsules travel case. This is really going to be very useful. I'm going on a cruise soon, so this is really useful to travel with. So it has a little traveling case and it has the little ampules in there. So you just break one open and use it as a cleansing oil when you need it. So I'm definitely going to put this into my travel bag. Next thing in here is by Aurelia, and this is the Cell Revitalized Night Moisturizer, and it looks like this. It's a very dark, it has rich probiotic night cream with shea and avocado. Oh, it smells really good. It has like a really strong shea butter smell to it. So this one is probably, it seems like it's something fancy and expensive. Next here is by Terry. I absolutely love this. I have already been using this like crazy. Let me show you guys mine. Oh, you can't really tell how much I've used, but if I was to lay this flat, you guys would see that it definitely has a dent into it. It's very moisturizing on the lips. It has a beautiful rose smell to it. It's very, very luxe. Definitely highly recommend, but it is very pricey, but really nice that it's in here. Next thing in here is by Christophe Robin. This is a like well known for hair care. This is a regenerating serum with prickly pear oil. It's for dry and damaged hair, and it comes with 1.6 ounces. And it says that, let me see, where does it say it in English? It says that you're supposed to use it on damp or dry hair. I will definitely try to see if this works for me. I have more really fine hair that gets oily really fast, so I have to be really careful what I use in my hair. And it has a really nice smell to it, so it's a little bit on the thicker side. I will see if I can use this, but it comes with a nice pump, and this is a glass bottle, so you might want to be careful. I know I'm very cautious with bottles like that around my son. Next thing in here is a Meli Grow Strong Brow Oil. I'm definitely going to send this to one of my friends. She's been having issues with her brows, and I'm going to actually send her some stuff that New Lash sent me, like for the new brow. And this has organic argan, amla, brahmi, jasmine, and sandalwood. So I guess it's just like, let me see. I think it's just like a roller ball. Yeah, it's just a roller ball that you can just put on your eyebrows. My eyebrows, I fill them in just the tiniest bit, but these are my natural brows. It's the natural color of my brows. I get a lot of comments like, why are you dyeing your eyebrows? I don't dye my eyebrows. My eyebrows have been pitch black since basically almost the day I was born. I was one of the few newborns with eyebrows already, okay? And then the next thing in here, oh, I love this. This is the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder Veil. This powder is absolutely amazing. I love it. I actually already own the full size, so I am definitely going to be keeping this, especially for travel purposes. This is great to travel in. I actually think I like this kind of form better than the original. The original has like a cap where the cap has a stopper on it, and it's kind of hard to get some product out sometimes. But ooh, love this. Love Hourglass. Their stuff is amazing. I haven't tried their eyeshadows, but their face products, on point. Okay, now we're gonna open the bottom drawer, and so far we have 5 products. So this is number 6, and this is a satin sleeping mask. I don't ever use sleeping masks. Let me know, do any of you guys use sleeping masks? I just feel uncomfortable with them, but this one is nice and like a pillowy. It does have satin on there, which they say that you should use like a satin pillowcase to avoid wrinkles. But yeah, I'm not like that big of a fan of these, but you know, I don't mind trying it out. Next thing in here is the Pry 24 Gold Wrinkle Repair Cream. And it doesn't say much about the product itself. It is, ooh, she is thick. As you can see there, super, super thick. And doesn't have much of a scent either. And then, oh, I do love this. This is the Murad Clarifying Oil-Free Water Gel. This stuff is absolutely amazing, and oh, love Murad. So super excited that this is in here. This is to instantly soothe, smooth, and hydrate, and it's an oil-free gel moisturizer. So I will be adding this to my skincare because I love Murad skincare. They are amazing. Next thing in here is the 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence. This is a very, very high-end, expensive brand. Anytime I see it in one of like either BoxyCharm or any box, I am super excited. Ooh, yeah. So an essence is basically almost like a toner, but it's not as like harsh on your skin. So this one, it says just to use a cotton pad and to use like all over the skin. It basically energizes and hydrates your skin and gives you a refreshed, radiant skin. Toners sometimes have like acids in them. Like some of my toners are like glycolic acid toners or niacinamide toners. So this one is just basically antioxidants, and it's more like glycerin and water. And what else is in here? It has different extracts like aloe vera extract, horse chestnut, so different things to just kind of really soothe, radiate, and just relax the skin. Really, really nice. We'll be adding that as well. Next thing in here is the Kevyn Aucoin, the Volume Mascara. I have never really tried much from Kevyn Aucoin's line. I do love his books though. If you're looking for really good makeup books, his books are superb. And yeah, I haven't really tried much from his line. Ooh, this is right up my alley. I love a small brush like this. Really gonna add this to my line, especially since my telescopic is like running dry. I will add this onto my my stash to use. And then the last thing in here is the Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner Black. This is smudge proof, pitch black, and precise. And it's not really that skinny. It's kind of like a little bit chunky. It is a felt tip, but I have been trying to get better at using felt tips, so I will be trying this out and seeing how I like it. Anyways, that is everything that is in the beauty chest. Let me know if you're going to be grabbing one of these up. What did you think about it? And what is your favorite beauty chest or advent calendar to buy? Let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. I do have social media down below, like my Instagram, where I have been sharing a lot of get ready with me's. I've also been just doing like pan my palette and like project panning. I really want to do more shop my stash, which is where I am headed, not only here on my channel, but also on Instagram. So definitely go follow me over there. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.